Good morning. It's nice, beautiful day. I think I'm going to wash some vehicles. Got the herd out here. Let's do a walkthrough right quick. 2014 Harley-Davidson CVO Ultra Limited. 2014 Z01 Camaro. 1971 C10 350 turbo. We'll swing around here to 2002 Chevrolet Dually 4-door 4-wheel drive Duramax diesel. Swing over here to 2006 Chevrolet 1500 Intimidator. It's number 301 of 933 built. Here's 2006 GMC 1500 short bed. Of course, there's my bad boy Maverick. Like I said, I believe I'll do some washing. If one of my kids don't get up and help me, I probably won't make it today.
Morning, everybody. Good afternoon at this point, I guess. Just wanted to kind of capture what Dad's doing. Got a little late of a start to today, but I just wanted to also say thank you for over 120 subscribers. I think we put in the videos before that we have wanted to do these videos and storytelling and just silly stuff like he's pressure washing trucks and cars right now, and a little blooper reel of him falling yesterday. I mean, thank the Lord that wasn't any worse. Sorry, I was a little busy with my family, but I mean, just fun stuff. And I know last time I looked, it was like 123 people have subscribed, and I know a lot of y'all are watching, and I very much appreciate it. And I just wanted to tell y'all thank you and kind of give you a little preview. I don't know how to do the zooming on the GoPro yet, unless I can do it on the old computer. But flip you around here, and like I said, I don't think I can zoom in or anything, and I don't know where he went. Oh, he's behind the dually back there, the blue one. But I don't know if you can see it or not. But he's got his camera set up, and I went and found this one, and I hadn't really eaten breakfast today, so I'm gonna eat me some chicken nuggets. While he's doing a little bit of work, I'll help him do some scrubbing in a little bit. But Hopefully y'all enjoy everything so far, and feel free to like, comment, maybe subscribe if you think we're worth it. We do appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.
Okay, that was step one. I basically just wet everything down, took the dust off of it, the grime, road grime, and any bugs or anything that was on the front of the vehicle or whatever. I just got them basically wet and hang around for step two. Step here, I'm only going to do the car first to just show you what I do. Normally I do one car at a time and then go to the next one, but I was just trying to, I got several out here today, so what I'm going to do is I'll get started on this one right here, and then I'm going to show you step two and how it goes, and then we'll go to the next one. But for right now, this is step two. Second step, well, third step, I actually rinsed it off. I'll be right back with you in just a minute, and I'll do the drying process, and this car will be finished. Thank you. Okay, here's how I dry it. A lot of people do it for their Harleys, and I picked up this this technique for my vehicles because it surely takes out of a lot of hand drying. So like I said, I'm all for a little bit faster and making it all look good. So this is, I'm going to dry it off right quick. Uh-oh, what'd I do?
Ain't got no gas in it.
No gas in it. That's probably about the best way to keep from water spotting. Get it all on there, and then when you open the door or whatever, it's not near as apt to come out the mirrors and stuff like that. So if you follow me on anything, you know where this car's fixing to go. Right up the road to the pasture, and let the horses just sit up there in the pasture and graze for a little while. Stick with me, I'll come right back and get on the next vehicle. Thank you.
Not sure what happened, but the video of the Intimidator getting washed messed up and I cannot get it to import to the video, but I assure you it is clean, so just use that good old-fashioned imagination.
Okay, I got them all cleaned up here in the front pasture. So let them go sit up here and graze and enjoy the sun and the grass for just a little bit. It's amazing. I don't know how it's gonna look on camera, but the truck seems to change colors when it hits the sun like that.
Love is life.